Hello everybody, my name is Drew. I'm here with PM Music and Education Center. We're going to take a look at how to replace a string on our cello today. I'm using a smaller cello for demonstration, but this works on any size cello. What we use are Helicore strings for our replacement rental cellos. These are wonderful strings that sound warm, give a resonant tone, and are easy to play, but we do have other string brands available for the intermediate or advanced player. Let's go ahead and start by identifying our broken string. Let's pretend our D string here needs to be changed. So I'm first going to start by identifying the string, and then I'm going to follow it all the way up to our peg box so I can see which peg hosts the D string. I can see that's this top one here. We're going to start by fully loosening the string. And by slowly twisting, the string pops out, and now we need to get the ball end out if this part isn't broken already. Very simply, we swip it to the other side and it pops right out. And here we are with our new string, ready to put it on our cello. Helicore strings are outfitted so they're easy to identify. The bottom part, which is blue and yellow with a ball end, or the top part, which is our solid color. The D string is yellow. We start by finding the exact same peg that housed the D string before, and we need to take the tip here, and there's a small hole called the peg opening, or the eye of the peg, where almost like threading a needle, where the string goes in. Once the string is through the eye of the peg, we want to twist in towards the squirrel box and up, or away from the squirrel box. This will tune the instrument as well as keeping the peg saddled into the peg box. After about 5 or 6 twists, you can then take the other side of the string and we're going to attach the ball into the receiver fine tuner here. It's very simple. Threads in through the bottom, hoop it to the right so it sticks, and you are good to go. Next, we can finish tuning our string using the pegs with a few more twists. Before the string is fully taut, you want to make sure that it's in the groove of the bridge where the D string is placed, and it's in the groove of below the peg box right here. If the string is not in both of these grooves, what happens is you will tune the instrument and the string will snap into place, potentially causing damages. Continue tuning until the instrument is fully in tune, and then you have successfully replaced a string. Once your instrument is fully tuned and the string replaced, it's important to remember that the string will continue to stretch for a couple of days. This means that every time you go to tune it, it will be slightly flat for about 2 or 3 days until it fully settles in.